First at 6, a woman is on the run tonight after she was supposed to be sentenced today to 25 years in prison for child abuse. Thanks for joining us. I'm Craig Day.
And I'm Lori Fulbright. Ashley Polhamus was 3-month-old son, had burns all over his body. He had a skull fracture and broken ribs.
News on 6's Reagan Ledbetter has the latest on the search for her.
Prosecutors tell me Ashley Polhamus has shown up to every court hearing for the last 15 months. In fact, she's never been late. Her attorney initially told the judge Polhamus was stuck in traffic, but she never showed up. And now there's a warrant out for her arrest. Investigators say Polhamus called 911 in March of 2022 saying her 3-month-old baby had been scalded from a bath in a hotel room sink. Investigators say the baby was struggling to breathe when they got there. They had to do CPR. They say the baby had burns on 35% of his body, a skull fracture, bleeding on the brain, and broken ribs. They say Polhamus waited 8 hours to call for medical help and said the baby's father, Taylor Ryan, left before police got there. Investigators say Polhamus changed her story several times about what happened, but said Ryan had told her not to call 911 because he was scared they'd go to jail. Now, Ryan pleaded guilty to child neglect earlier this year and was sentenced to 30 years in prison. Investigators tell me the baby boy is doing better and now lives with a foster family. In Tulsa, Reagan Ledbetter, Oklahoma's Own, News on 6.